Morning guys, we're over here at Ryan and Maggie's. We're coming to the end of our project here, and Ryan and Maggie have decided to add in a water feature in this area here. We have it marked out in orange. We've got our water feature from Aquascape set up over here. It's a medium stacked stone spear, and we're going to add in a lighting kit as well. So follow along, we'll keep you updated as we go through today. Guys are working hard, digging a hole, putting the dirt in the bucket, loading it onto the dump truck. They're cutting out the square shape for our Aquascape base we'll set into, and we're just about to set that in the next probably 10-15 minutes, so we'll catch you up to speed then. So now we've got our basin set, it's nice and level, we've got the soils around it all backfilled and compacted, and now we're getting ready to set our stone spear, install our pump. Our water's running here to fill this container up, this basin, and we'll have this thing up and running shortly. We got our water feature set, we've got some gravel around it, we've got our pump up and running, the water's going to clear out overnight. Unfortunately today we're going to get strong thunderstorms here shortly, so we're going to call it quits for today, just so we don't get caught out and make a mess here, and we're going to come back next week and finish this up. So we'll check back in with you then and show you exactly what it looks like whenever it's all landscape planted and the lights on. This thing's going to be fantastic.